Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Friday, April 3rd, and it's raining and it's real windy. You get some gusts of like 35-mile-an-hour gusts, and it's supposed to rain until I think midday tomorrow. Started yesterday, but late yesterday I noticed that fence section there moving, and to my surprise, right at the soil line post. There's a big gust again. I knew we were going to have these gusts, so I put some braces there. Screwed them into the wood on the raised beds. But I found a post right there that is left over, but it's for a 90-degree turn in the fence. So I have to drill holes through, and then I'll just use the pieces of wood from those holes to patch up the holes that will be facing the yard. And yeah, for some reason it's cedar, and it's supposed to be pressure treated, but for some reason that particular post there rotted right at the soil level. So hopefully that won't fall down between now and tomorrow. Alright, so here's the leftover post I have. It's a corner post, but it's for a 90-degree turn. So I have to drill a through hole, and then I'll just take the plug, put it in here. Probably have to use some like wood putty or some, I can mix something up with some sawdust and glue, wood glue. And that's the post. Oops, almost tripped. And then I have to replace. Don't really feel like doing any more digging. Had to brace it for that windstorm we had. But yeah, you can see here, that's all rotten. Yeah, I think this post weighs about 40 pounds. That's one. Well, I was going to use this plug, but it broke. I can maybe glue it or make another one. It'll fit right in. Well, I hope I can get these screws out. Let's see, it looks like from the bottom of the hole to the center, it's about 43 inches. So I set this cinder block up using this 2x4 for leverage. Basically pick up the whole post at the soil line. It's broken right off. It's just sitting on it. Yeah, so you can see there. I have to bring the fence in to get it out of those holes. Alright, so I was able to move this forward. It's just on the edge of the part that was rotted off of, the whole section in the ground there. And I put a block under this portion of the fence. And I'd have to bring it in a certain amount in order to get those. I don't think I can. So I might have to make some cross cuts. 6 of them to be able to free the fence from the post. I just get across here, chip this wood out. I can get one section of the fence and the new post, and then should be able to work the second part in. Second half of the other side of the fence. Alright, I managed to free the left side of the fence. I should be able to wiggle that post out. Alright, this rotten post here is being stubborn. Trying to get some leverage on it. I screwed a piece of wood on there, thinking I'm going to use that rope, but I just might be able to use an iron bar underneath that board, unless it pulls out, and see if I can pick it up. There we go. There we go. Alright everyone, so I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do it, but I was able to replace that rotted fence post. It was a little tricky being able to feed all the ends of the two fence sections, but I was able to do it, and that should last for another 20 years. That'll be the last post to rot. I had it, so I might as well use it. Just have to plug those holes. I don't even need to, and don't have to put the screws in either, because those two sections are pretty much sandwiched. They're not going anywhere. So thanks for watching. I'm exhausted.